Alright, key to Mercedes C280. We just got the password for that. We're going to go ahead and hit continue. Now we want to take our key that already works in the ignition, put that inside, and wait about 30 seconds. Sometimes it takes time for it to turn, so we'll just stick it in. Okay, we're going to put that into the EIS. Wait 30 seconds. Alright, we're generating the key file right now. We're actually going to take our new key that we're going to be programming. We'll place it in there for now. Just want to make sure that's working. Blank key is already in the IR keyhole. It's detecting the key. And sometimes it just takes time for it to start working again after you're doing this, just because the car fell asleep while this process was happening. So, all right. Okay, let's put that back in. I'll say okay. If it doesn't work, we'll go grab a new key. Oh, there we go. Key addition completed. After pressing OK, check if the new key can be used normally. Okay, we'll say okay. We'll take our original key that works right now, take that out. We'll take our new key right there and we'll place that in the ignition. We heard that. We'll turn it to the on position. That's good, and we'll test that out. Remote's working, and we'll turn it on. Car starts, and we'll put our original key in. Car starts. All right. Okay. Check if it could be started. Check if the remote works. And there we go. There we go. New key added to a 2007 Mercedes.